I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I need to buy some food. I need to buy some food. I need to buy vegetable. I need to buy vegetable. I clean the table. I clean the table. I put down my bag. I put down my bag. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I watch TV. I watch TV. It often rains. It often rains. It is snowing. It is snowing. It is cold. It is cold. It is warm. It is warm. It is sunny. It is sunny. It is windy. It is windy. It is thundering. It is thundering. It is cloudy. It is cloudy. It is foggy. It is foggy. It is dry. It is dry. I greet my neighbor. I greet my neighbor. I arrive at the train station. I arrive at the train station. I buy a ticket from the machine. I buy a ticket from the machine. I check the departure time. I check the departure time. I wait on the platform. I wait on the platform. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. I sit down. I sit down.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.